Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Jenkins on Windows. The process is same on Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows Server. The prerequisites to install Jenkins are Java 11 or Java 17. In Google search for download Java JDK. Click on first link, that is Java downloads. See, here we have Java 19 or Java 17. Then click on Windows. Then click on this x64 installer. Then click on this exe file. See, download has been started. See, download has been completed. Then click on this JDK Windows x64 bin.exe file. If you receive user account control pop-up, then click on yes. Click on next. This is the path it is going to store Java files. Then click on next. It is success. Click on close. Now go to C drive, then program files, then Java, then JDK. Copy this path. Now we are going to set the environment variables for Java. Search for environment variables. Click on this edit the system environment variables. Now click on environment variables. Now see here we have user variables for the current user and system variables. In the system variables, click on path, then edit. At the bottom, click on new and paste that path. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now open command prompt. Verify Java is installed or not. Java version. See, we have installed Java version 17.0.5. This is the prerequisite for Jenkins. So, prerequisites completed for Jenkins installation. Now go to Google again. Search for download Jenkins. Then click on this Jenkins.io, then Jenkins on deployment. See here, click on this hardware and software requirements. See here, software requirements, Java requirements. See, we have to install JRE 11 or 17. We just installed JDK or JRE 17. Notice here, download Jenkins 2.375 LTS or download Jenkins. LTS means long-term support. So this is the stable version, but not this one. Click on Windows. See, download has been started. See, Jenkins download has been completed. Click on Jenkins.msi file. Click on next. This is the path where the Jenkins files will be copied. Then click on next. Here logon type. Run service as local system or run service as local domain user. If you have service as local or domain, you have to provide username. Otherwise, select run as service as local system. Then click on next. This is the port number. If you are not using this port for any other application, then keep this 8080. Then click on test port. It is success, which means no issues with the port. Now click on next. See, this is the Java directory that we have installed. Then click on next. These are the features. select firewall exception also by just clicking, and will be installed on local hard drive. Then click on next. Then click on install. Again, if you got user account control pop-up, then click on yes. See, we have successfully completed the Jenkins 2.375 1.1 setup. Click on finish. Once setup is completed, then go to any browser, then give localhost 8080 or see, your browser will reload automatically when Jenkins is ready. Or you can use IP config, then use the IP here instead of localhost. Both are same. Wait until Jenkins starts. Here we have to provide the administrator password. We can get that by going to this file. Copy this path, then go to that path. See here, first one, initial admin password. Right click and open with, then select notepad, then click on OK. This is the password. Copy this password, then paste that here, then click on continue. Click on never. See here, we have to select either of these two, install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. I am going with install suggested plugins. Just click on this box. It is going to install all these plugins. The plugins may be different for the Linux environment. Please be patient until this plugins installation completes. I am pausing this video until this plugins installation completes. Now we have to create admin user. Admin, then provide the password. Provide the full name, then mail ID. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the instance configuration. Then click on save and finish. Our Jenkins setup is complete. Click on start using Jenkins. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard. If you want to sign out, if you want to log out, click on log out. If you want to find the builds, if you want to configure, just you have to click on this configure. If you want to go to build history, click on here. Okay. Click on sign out. Then provide the newly created username, that is admin, then password. Or click sign out, then give the IP, cmd IP config. See, this is the IP. 192, 168, 192, 160, 168, 56.1. See, we got the same console like here. We can use either domain name or localhost or give the IP. Then click on sign in. See, we have successfully connected to Jenkins. So in this video we have seen how to install prerequisite, that is Java 17 or 11. Then we have seen how to download and install Jenkins on Windows operating system. The process is same for Windows 10, Windows 11 or Windows Server also. For more Jenkins and DevOps videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.